Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we want to show you the DIY installation for a 2010 to 2016 Porsche Panamera Tesla style unit, and also this is exact same process to install for a 2010 to 16 Porsche Cayenne. So just please pay attention to the instruction for installations step by step. And just to mention here, this car comes with Bose sound system.
Okay, first thing we want to mention is on these air vents here, you will have to push a hook tool that will reach to the back of the air vent so you can get the tabs free. You will not pry this out with a conventional pry bar without breaking the tabs off the air conditioning vent. So be very careful. We do suggest going to a professional installation shop for this installation. Once the two vents come out, you're going to have 4 torque screws, 2 on each side of the unit that you're going to need to remove. Then the unit just slides right out. Other than that, this is a very easy install, regardless of damaging the side vents if you're not careful. Now at the back of the unit, you're going to notice that this is the factory USB cable that's still going to be retained. If the vehicle does not come equipped with a factory USB, then you will install our aftermarket supplied USB. Now the unit has 2 USBs regardless, but one is allocated for the factory USB plug if it is equipped in that vehicle. Also on the main T-harness, you're going to notice that there is a camera output wire that needs to be plugged into the supplied adapter for the camera input wire. That will retain your factory camera if the vehicle is equipped with factory camera. Also, if your vehicle is equipped with navigation, you can use and retain the OEM navigation plug, which is this blue one here. If your vehicle comes with factory navigation, there is a supplied splitter plug if so needed. And also the fiber optic cable from the harness needs to be reeled out, so you will have the extension to push the original harness back into the dash. So you will have to take off the insulating tape off of the harness, so you will be able to extend these wires. If not, the wires will be too short for you to do an installation. Now our unit comes with the fiber optics adapter. You will need to take out the adapter bracket inside of the optical adapter, and then you will be able to insert the original one with the original optical adapter. So you will not need to use the aftermarket optical adapter. Now also on the T-harness, because this is a Porsche and it is equipped with a CAN bus system that it communicates your engine codes and so forth and your vehicle door open position, you will need to plug this T-harness adapter into the back of the radio beside the power plug. That is for the CAN bus signal. So if you notice that the CAN is not communicating with your vehicle, it is because it is missing the supplied CAN plug-in to the original radio, which is located right there beside the USB drive. Now on this vehicle, it comes equipped with a Bose and a non-Bose system. Again, if your door panel says Bose, that is an equipped Bose vehicle. So for the equipped Bose vehicle, you will be using harness B, which is the Bose equipped vehicle. For non-Bose, you will be using A. That is for a non-amplified system. Once all connections are being made, you're going to also plug in the auxiliary input from the main harness, which will specify auxiliary line in and right line in. Those are for vehicles that are equipped with also the auxiliary input, which is located right in your center console beside the USB plug. So you need to plug those into, and then all your wires should be isolated and taped up to make sure that when you are reinserting the unit into the dash, the wires will not be able to loosen. So you don't have to pull in the radio out before. Now the original antenna for the radio will also go on to the factory plug of the aftermarket radio. So you will be retaining the original antenna. There are other plugs that will not be used in the process of this installation. So you only need to use the plugs that we are showing you in this video to connect your unit perfectly with the rest of the unit. And this is 4x4 shop with an installation video for the Porsche Panamera.
Shortly I come back and I show you the after installation of this unit. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 shop. So right now the unit is installed and it's flash mount to the spot of the original radio, and as you can see there is no gaps and everything fits like factory. And right now we connect our iPhone, we are doing screen mirroring. So you can mirror whatever is on your phone to the same screen. Today we install our 10 and there is no delay. 25-inch Android 8.1 version with 2 gig RAM and 32 gig card. And also you can go like to the main menu of your phone and go to Waze or any other apps that you want. So basically this is mirroring, so you just can control the screen from your phone. You cannot touch the screen. And also you can do Apple CarPlay. So by going to the setting of our USB dongle, we can change it from mirroring to CarPlay. So right now we're gonna do Apple CarPlay. So we are on Apple CarPlay mode. We can go to Waze or Google Maps and we can touch the screen and use it. And if you connect your Android phone, it can do Android Auto as well. So we're just gonna turn on the car and show you the functions of this unit. You can install offline maps, or as you can see, you can do online maps as well. So this is the main menu. It's exact same as Porsche Cayenne. Installation is same, just the bracket of the unit is different. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. So by going to reverse, it goes to backup camera with dynamic parking guideline, and it retains the factory. Right now we are doing basically the factory backup camera. We didn't do any new camera, but you can add aftermarket camera to it too. By going back to park or drive, it goes back to the main screen. Video is here, music is there, radio is there, and also you can see whatever information was on the car, same as before, RPM, speed, and any other information. And the settings that used to be on your factory screen is there too. Nothing is changed. And apps are there, so you can have apps individually on the same screen. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and we can install them for you as well. Thank you and have a great day.